Hello, hello, my cute people. Everyone who watches my channel is cute, trust me. Because I'm cute. So you're cute, guys. So anyways, guys, yesterday we went for it was like a tourism day, and like there were stalls and people had kept their things and for sale and all that. There was food and all that, so I kept my stuff also, and it went well. And today we're going there again, so let's see how today goes. I hope it's better than yesterday though. So yeah, it was fun yesterday, and we're doing that today. And then yeah, that's gonna be my day. I think I did a bit of videos of yesterday, and I'll do also today. That's my dog. He's calling us actually. When he does that, he's calling us. So yeah, we're I'm just leaving right now. It's like 8 a.m. I know I woke up at 6:30. As you can tell by my face, I'm also still sleepy. I mean, God, I know why I don't do my eyebrows these days. Like, what's happening? Anyways, that's that. And I'm gonna be there the whole day till like 6 p.m. Like yesterday I was there till like 6:30, and we got home at 7, and then I was so tired. I ate and I just slept, and then I woke up early, and then today the same thing. So yeah, I did my makeup quickly, and now going to have breakfast. And yep, that's my day, guys. Anyways, if you guys want to see my vlog, then please keep watching. And I'm wearing this cute dashiki. Oh my god, it's actually not mine, it's my brother's. Sonia, go return it. Well, she ain't gonna return it. Okay, anyways, guys, I'll see you. Okay, sleep. Sleep, mama. Oh yeah? Bye, mama. Hi dolls. Today is Sunday. Yeah, much better. There's better lighting here. So yeah, today is Sunday and we are chilling. My mom, my brother. So we are chilling over here, and today we're going for lunch probably, and then come back home. So I'm wearing this same top that I wore the other day because it's so comfortable, you guys. Like, you have no idea how comfortable is it. And my blue shades, just as simple as usual. I worn an orange lipstick, but I don't know why it's showing like it's pink on camera. That's weird. So yeah guys, that's what I've been doing. I'll show you guys a bit of my week. I think I vlogged a bit of what I've been doing, just like slightly, but I haven't talked much in this vlog. So yeah guys, come say hi to my brother. He is taking pictures. Hi.
Hi.
Hello. You guys remember this face from another vlog? This is Zain from Pakistan, now in Kenya. So yeah, we are Kenyans and he's busy taking pictures. He's busy taking pictures. My mom is busy talking to someone over there. So yeah, the clouds are so nice today. I don't know if you guys can see. Yep, that's the clouds. And my dog is sleeping, so yeah. We are going just now in this cold. It was drizzling right now, by the way, and it just stopped drizzling. So yeah. By the way, I'm thinking of cutting my hair like up to here, like right there. Not too short, but like till here. Yeah, that's short. I mean, yeah, that much. So I need to cut my hair that much. So I'm not really sure if I should cut it now or should I cut it after my brother's wedding. Let's see. So yeah guys, that's my day today, and I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Can you guys see the rainbow? Beautiful, right? Amazing. Hey people, look at that highlight though. Ooh. Oh, but ignore the pimple guys, ignore that pimple. So guys, Sonia is in her kitenge. She's wearing home clothes, she's wearing night dress, okay? she's wearing it. Okay, let's just get used to it. So anyways guys, today is another craving day, another KFC craving day. So I was just about to wear my clothes. I don't know what clothes I'm wearing. I don't really have clothes here in Nakuru. So I have a really small range of clothes to choose from. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna put on anything, like literally anything. It's just food, you know. I'm just going to eat food. So anyways guys, I just wanted to tell you guys that my ring light has come, and my table has come as well. So I'm pretty excited for that. If you guys want to see like an unboxing video or something like that, because I haven't opened them yet. I've just seen them. Like, I don't even know if it's broken or something. Like, I have no idea. So I'm gonna open them. If you guys want to see them on camera, then I'll open them on camera. If not, then I'll just open them. If you guys are not interested in seeing, then I'll just open them and, you know, see if it works and all. So yeah guys, I'm excited for that. And yeah, so my cousin from Pakistan came the other day, so we went to Nairobi to pick him up from the airport. Well, the airport is far from Nakuru. I mean, 3 hours away. So whenever we want to travel and our flight is 5 hours, we think of 8 hours. Not 8, actually 10 hours, because we have to be in the airport 2 hours before. What a life. So yeah, that's that. So we went to pick him up, and he's loving Nakuru. He likes the weather because, you know, in Pakistan the weather is really, like, it's really hot there. Even worse than Mombasa. It's really hot over there guys. So yeah, that's been happening. My camera is not so charged. I need to charge it right now. I just wanted to speak to you guys, then put it on charge, then I can get ready, and then we can go for KFC. Yep, that's that guys. This lipstick, I've worn it after so long. Damn, it suits me. Okay, do not, like, why is this pimple even coming on the camera? Like, Sonia, look this way. So anyways guys, I got a few questions from people asking me a few things, and I don't want to answer them right now. You know guys. So yeah guys, I just realized that my foundation is still open. That's me. So today the weather is so nice. It's like calm, and it's not that cold and all that. It's nice and calm. I like it when it's nice and calm and it's not that hot or it's not that cold. It's just like there, normal and all that. So yeah. And oh my god guys, there's something I wanted to tell you. Oh, I just forgot. So let me get ready guys, decide on what I'm gonna wear, which is gonna be just something usual, and then we can go for KFC, have KFC together. You know, I'll put it through the camera like this so that you guys can enjoy it with me, yeah? So yeah guys, let's do that, and kisses, and I love you guys so much. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and don't forget to share it with your friends if they're foodies like me. So yeah guys, I really honestly, my mom is talking. I really appreciate the people who click on my videos, honestly speaking, like from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.